Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a reservation on booking.com without using a credit card. So first of course is head to booking.com. Now you can start by using the search filter to get the best recommendations for your desired booking, or you can also pick destinations by scrolling down just by clicking on the location or place. And instantly, here are the best recommendations for that location. See availability on your desired booking. So, say for example, we want to book a reservation on this resort. Now, proceed by clicking on the reserve button. Now, start choosing your room. Then, click on I'll reserve. Now, from here, all you have to do is enter in your personal details and also who are you booking this for, if it's for you or for someone else. But these questions are optional. You can skip this part, and you can also avail add ons, special requests, and once done, head over to final details. So, the last step to finish your booking is, of course, to pay for the reservation. Now, if you don't have a credit card, you don't have to use this payment option. You have three other options available that you can use. Just pick what is most convenient for you. Change if you want to pay for like Google Pay, or if through PayPal, or even Grab Pay. So say for example you chose any of these three. So in Google Pay, a sign-in screen will open in a new window, sign into your account, and complete the payment there. The process is almost the same with PayPal and Grab Pay. You'll be redirected to a new tab. Make sure that you complete all the steps. You'll then receive a confirmation once the payment is done. Then once done, finalize your booking by clicking on complete booking. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!